What's going on, guys? Welcome back. We got another video, and today we got the Dremel flex shaft. As you've seen in recent videos, my old flex shaft had broke and I had tried to have a temporary fix, but my birthday had just passed and I had gotten this as a gift, so I want to do a little quick install about the flex shaft and then do a small little carving. So I hope you guys stick around. If you're new here, please subscribe, give this video a like, and leave me a comment down below. Alrighty, so let's get into this. I'm gonna open this package up. Let's not lose this. We have a wrench in the 1/8 collet. Alright, so here's the driver cap. We have the driver adapter and the 1/8 inch collet and the little wrench. Alright, and over here we got the flex shaft. Alright, brand spanking new. Here's the model number 225-01, and it works for these models of the Dremel 4200, 4000, also the 4300. So let's check out the Dremel 4300. So here's the old driver cap, so I'm just going to put on the new one just to show you guys how to install the flex shaft. Okay. So we already have the shaft of the Dremel rotary tool, and you want to install the Dremel driver cap onto the shaft. So you're gonna hold down the lock button and then screw this on. Alright, gives you a little tight. Alright. So now take the end of your flex shaft, try to look for the inner shaft rod. So you can get this. See as it's sticking out just a little bit. Alright. So this is a square inner shaft and a square driver cap. I'm going to insert this right here. Pull it in, screw this on. Alright. Now it's recommended to have this run for a few minutes to get all the grease and stuff lubricated. So I'm going to hang this up here and plug it in. Alright, let's give it a run. Alright, I'll let that run for a bit. Let's get to carving and I'll show you how to put on a bit, or a carving burr. So I'm going to use this small little tree branch. I'm not sure what kind of tree wood it is, but I'm going to try to do the smallest wood spirit. And I'm going to try to use a small flame burr. Let's see if this will work. So you got to put in the collet and the driver adapter. Put that right in there. Here's the lock button. Hold that down. There we go. Push this all the way down and pull it out a little. Just pull it out a little bit more. Alright, take the wrench. There we go. Nice and snug. Alright. So that's it. So let's put on our guidelines and get to carving. I'm going to use this little knot here as the nose. So let's get the center line. Put the nose on here. The eyebrows. Mustache. Alright, let's work with this. carving's all done. Got this little guy. Let's do some quick sanding. Then I'll put some black paint inside the eyes and mouth and nose. Alright, so now I'm going to finish it with some Watco Danish oil, natural. This is right here. Sign your pieces. Alright, let's let that dry. And I'll be right back. Alright guys, here he is. He's all done. Tiny little guy. See with my hand. So, got all the hairs in there. Put the black inside. Finished it with some Danish oil. Signed the piece. Yeah. My smallest wood spirit. So I want to thank everyone for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it. And until next time, I'll catch you later. Ooh.